You can do it. I'm right here. Swim to the ladder. Look at you go.
Brayden, where's the ladder?
Here, use your hands. Go like this. Can you splash your hands? Come on, you can do it. It's okay. Don't be nervous. Splash. Use your hands. Here. Yeah. Oh, you're doing it. Do both hands. Oh my goodness, I'm so proud of you.
Go get the ladder.
Come on. Let's go swim to that side, okay? Let's go get the hippo. Come on. Use your hands. You did it. You did it. Look at you. Here, let's go swim back to Daddy. Let's turn around. Swim to Daddy. It's okay. Use your hands. Splash. 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 Splash.
Look at my arms.
I know. Boom. Boom. It's like we're dancing.
We're dancing.
Use your arms. You want to try it again? Let's go over this way. Come on. Use your arms. You're okay. You're okay.
You're doing it, buddy.
Here, turn around. Let's go to Daddy. No, let's swim to Daddy first, and then I'll get you the hippo. Okay. Here. Let's come.
Go swim to the hippo.
Let's swim to the hippo. Let's see how fast you can go.
Go, 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 fast.
No, leave the balls alone. Can you swim to the hippo? You're doing okay. Remember what I said. When you go under the water, blow bubbles. You're doing it. Look at you. You don't even need any of that. Cause you.
I'm on my ball.
Look, you're doing it all by yourself.
Splash your hands.
Splash.
Your arms. See? Splash, 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 splash. Use your arms. Can I show you? Here. Let me show you. Use your arms. Like that.
No.
Okay, you try. Oh, sorry. Remember, going under the water, bubbles.
No, I'm not going. Nah.
See?
Good job, buddy.
Let's see. You did it! That was Brayden!